Hi, my name is Jamie Koehler, and I am a realtor with Cummings & Co. And today we're at my new listing, 1632 Hollins Street. It's an end unit. It's also on a double lot, so it extends to the back of the block. The home itself is huge. It's over 3,000 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and you can use it all as one residence like the current owner does, but it's actually legally zoned as a 2-unit, and you can easily split it back up by adding a wall at the side entrance. If you do that, the main part of the house becomes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the apartment becomes 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. The property also has private parking and a rear terrace, so let's check it out.